All right, they don't arrest Bobrisky. You understand? First things first, Mr.
My people, wahala be like Bobrisky oh, hey hey, Bobrisky don enter one chance. Dem say dem don gbaga Bobrisky, don go kirikiri. I go put the video wey be say very dark man take talk about the issue. Nothing wey Musa no go see oh. How dem wan take do am now? Na man abi na woman we no come know. Una know say she dey talk am say whether na she whether na he. He said him be mommy of Lagos. Mommy of Lagos. I go even put the video wey be say very dark man take like use am take describe say how dem wan take put am, which room dem wan come put am, na for female abi na for male side. Anyway, my people, wetin I lis ten to, to this very dark man. He say na because of money laundering na make dem gbaga am. May I put the video more na lis ten. Now know say Nigeria, I be like say dem don dey open eye small small. Even though say you get money, you fit go inside before we come dey like talk. No be the one wey be say dem dey do before. Dem just like big man no dey go inside, na only poor person and dem dey gbaga dey put for there. But nowadays na e don Bobrisky don go like go test am see be. Na know say very dark man that one don newly come out because of wetin happen. May I put the video more na watch. Please help me to love and like, follow this page, share this video, leave your comments, follow my page, okay? Follow me on my YouTube also, Unto Mama TV. Na me get Untouchable Mama on Facebook. God bless you as you do. May we listen to wetin him get to talk. Very dark man. Bye bye for now.
All right, they don't arrest Bobrisky. You understand? First things first, Mr. Blue Audi, Mr. Lamborghini, Mr. Pinnock Estates for Lagos. I know say you be big boy, you get plenty connection, but I want advice you. See this matter, be a little piece of advice. No make any call, though. You understand? If not, now this one go drown you. No say they do coded, now this one go bring you out, and everything where you get, you go lose out. You don't understand? You don't understand? The friend of my enemy, now my enemy. Wallahi, na Abuja deal. But wallahi talai, you go lose everything. So just come on, you and do as if you know see say they carry on. You understand? Just day your day. Now, you know what is funny? They say Bobrisky get connection. All the people where they connected to, they no go make any call. They no bond them where. Make them call now. Any big man where call now, I ain't be saying they knock Bob. You understand? I want to see where that connection reach. I want to know your connection. Your connection will finish. It go finish. Now, why did they arrest him? It's simple. Very simple now. Is it not? It's abuse of Naira now. They spray Naira, they match the Naira. Why would he be doing that? Under section 21, subsection 3 of the CBN Act of 2007, it says that if you manhandle the Naira, it is a punishable offense. So that's why they arrested him. Very small thing. The fine is 50,000 Naira. I'll pay it. But then again, EFCC, you know that do some other thing. I'll still send another. I'll send reports. You understand? I'll send another report come again. You know, in the spray dollars, in the pack heap of dollars, all those bundle of money, you know, the house and everything. Now, guys, I suspect money laundering. I suspect it. So another petition will still be filed. Never find people that don't have anything to lose. You see this one room, una go learn. Wallahi, una go learn. Una go learn. That's number one. Number two, and your large right? If not me, wallahi talai, you get luck say I know even the outside when all that thing they happen. Because me like this, I go push the agenda. They no go watch that your film. You understand? They do as if you don't know what you do. They no go watch that film. That money where you take do that film. To say outside, oh yeah. With all your sons, that film, I no sure say go, because I don't see any reason where you carry best dress female give a man. It was a deliberate act. When they can't kick against them, because people no talk if or no talk. When they kick against them, you come and like, so just a publicity stunt. I sold my 2 cars. I borrowed money. Da. After you cry finish, you still go carry the Bobrisky, go do meet and greet. Nigerians, let me tell you what is funny that you people don't know. It's all these celebrities where they see, all these things where all these boys they do. You understand? All this Gabrielism and don't be say they don't know. Don't be say they know they see the negative impact of what these boys they do. But you know the problem, if they talk against them, they don't go give them American visa. And you know say Nigerian celebrities, they prefer American visa past the future of their children. As they did like that, so they go rather carry their sons of 12 years old, give man, make man post. May they give them visa that may they no reach to America. America are the ultimate price for them. They will do anything to get that visa. Now, why these people no fit talk? Don't be safe all those Bobrisky, all those any boys, all those ones. Don't be safe all those people they near them. They know they feel something. They feel them now. But what? Guess what? Guess what? They no go fit talk. Because the mentality where those Yankee people don't put, say if you talk against these things, that it is a problem. Now, see, what people don't understand is this. If man want to knock man in business, you understand? Everything you want to do is your business. My only problem is, no carry and come public, come they display them. Now, when me and you go get problem, I no get problem. If my own they do it, me and you no get problem. It's the public display. Don't be say I be saint. I no be saint too. You understand? But you go see me come out, come the open eye, they tell all these people, say, don't do this thing. I go try to advise you the best. You understand? Plenty of us where you see, so our own life, we don't chop them anyhow. Do you understand? But we don't see, say, okay, yes, we don't do this thing, make our future no. We don't want to see, say, others, they do one like us. Now, why would they kick up against all these things? Don't be say we'll be saints for us. We are not saints, bro. Me, yes, but I'll not be saints. Do you understand? So, all these celebrities where they see, they go rather offer their children a sacrifice, make men knock them, than make them talk against all these things. But then again, to the people who get connection to Bob, I go advise. I don't talk, I no poor hand. No, you will learn, and you will learn the hard way. I swear to God who made me, you go learn. Wallah, you go learn. Don't play. Sure, sir. Sir, the prisoner that we arrested yesterday, some people are saying that, why did they write Idris Okunoye instead of Bobrisky, sir? Yes, sir.
You must be very stupid. Take
sorry,
it to
sir.
the cell, you are telling me
sir.
rubbish.
Sorry, sir.
Take him to cell 3.
Yes, sir. Sir, you say I should take him to cell 3. Is this cell 3 male section or cell 3 female section, sir?
You must be a very stupid boy. Can't you see that his name is Idris?
Oh, that's true, sir. Yes, I can see his name, Idris.
Is
yes,
Idris a female name or a male name?
Yes, it's a man. It's a man, sir. Yes,
Take him away.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Nonsense.
Excuse me, sir. Forget that I'm a suspect. I am Bobrisky, the mummy of Lagos. I am going to be in the female cell because I'm a trans woman and I have a rights. Sir, he said that it's a trans that should take him to the women place, sir.
So you will not knock them the way he was knocking his former PA.
Oh, sir, that's true. Oye Kenny, his former PA, that say Bobrisky used to knock him every night. Yes, sir, I remember him, sir. Sure, sir. We'll take him. You are you. So you want to go and be giving all those girls belly with style, and you tell us that you are a girl.
Hello. Come
sure,
on, take him away. What's wrong with you? Take him away. You're
yes,
overdoing it now.
Yes,
see your head.
Yes, I will not lie. I was sleeping with Oyekemi, but that was then when I was still transforming. Now I am a full transformer. Yes, I am now a mummy of Lagos. So I'm going to the female section of the cell. Duh.
So there's only one way to end this debate. Check his toto. Yes, you check his toto.
I should check his toto now.
Yes, check his toto.
I should check his toto now. Yes. Hey, where you? Hold him down. Open his shoulder.
No, leave me alone. No, you people should stop it.
There's no need for all this. I will remove the wrapper by myself. Jesus! Sir, it's bigger than my own. Sure. Let's go.
How does he hide that thing that is like 2 by 2?